Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm starting out a new series here on my channel called Project Throwback. What this means is that for these types of Project Throwback videos, I'm going to be using older products that released a few years ago. So what happened is that a few days ago, I was actually cleaning up and organizing my makeup collection, and I realized that I have so much makeup that is unused and it's just sitting there looking pretty, and I have not even used them for more than once or twice, and I constantly keep on buying new makeup. So this type of a video called Project Throwback video will encourage me to use up some of my older makeup, and hopefully this type of a video will also encourage you guys out there to start using up and finishing off some of your older makeup. Now of course, if a product is expired, don't use it, throw it away. But if a product you can still use it, then try to use it up and finish it off before buying new makeup. Now because I run a YouTube channel, I'll always be excited to try on new products and test new products. That's always going to be there, but I am actually trying to finish some of my older makeup. So this video right here will be going up as an extra video in this month of Feb. Usually I post on a Saturday evening, so that's my schedule usually, but this video will go up on a Wednesday morning at the end of every month. So every month I'm going to do this Project Throwback video. So I hope you guys will enjoy this series. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. First off, I'm going to add on some primer and foundation before I go ahead and do my eye makeup. So for primer, I have the Estee Edit Pore Vanishing Stick. Who remembers this brand, Estee Edit? This brand is no longer available in the market. It was a branch of Estee Lauder, and they were supposed to come out with really trendy, really cool products. But for whatever reason, they stopped making this line. I don't quite recall why, but this product was one of my favorite products from Estee Edit. So I have actually massaged that into my skin. Next, we have foundation. For foundation, I'm going to go with the MAC Matchmaster foundation in the shade 6.0. I'm going to take my kabuki brush and just start to apply that. This is still one of my favorite foundations, and I still love using it from time to time. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer, and then we're going to get started with the eye look. For my eye look today, I'm going to pull out from my collection the Anastasia and Makeup by Mario palette, which was the Master palette by Mario. It is one of my favorite palettes to date, and I've used this palette a ton. As you can see, the colors are absolutely gorgeous. I'll take this shade Lula and go in the crease with this shade using a blending brush. It's a cool toned brown. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Violetta and put that in the crease and the outer third. Next, we're gonna go in with this shade over here called Bronx and put that all over my lid. Use a flat brush for this. I'm gonna use my fingers to add a little bit more of this brown color and just blend it in. Go in with the shade Hollywood on the inner corner of the eyes and also on the brow bone. I'm going to add a wing liner next, and for that I'm going to be using the Gerard Cosmetics Eternal eyeliner. I remember that Gerard Cosmetics used to be a really popular social media brand. I don't know if they are even that popular anymore, to be honest, but they had really good liquid lipsticks, and then this eyeliner was one of my favorites, so I did keep it around. Next, I'm going to go in with mascara, and for that, I'm going to use the Clinique High Impact Mascara. For the lower lash line, I'll go in with the Urban Decay Perversion Liner in black. I'm going to smudge that out using the shade Violetta. Alright, I'll add on some false lashes and I'll be right back, and then we'll finish up the rest of our makeup. We're gonna continue on with our face makeup. I have the Kevyn Aucoin concealer here. It's a super natural concealer in the shade medium. I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush for this. Next up is powder. For that, I'm going to use the RCMA No Color powder. I'm going to use my big powder brush for this. Next up is bronzer. For that, I'll use my NARS Casino Bronzer. Gorgeous color. Let's hope it's still good. For blush, I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay Afterglow 8-Hour Powder Blush in the shade Fetish. Highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Becca Cosmetics Opal Highlighter. For my lip liner today, I'm going to be using the MAC Hover Lip Pencil. Then I'll go in with Colourpop. I believe it's an Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Stud. The packaging has worn off. Alright guys, that's it. That completes this month's project throwback video. I hope you guys will enjoy this type of video moving forward in the next coming months. This type of video will encourage you guys and hopefully me to start finishing off some of my older products. Now, eyeshadow palettes are really hard to finish unless you typically use them every day. I am hoping to at least hit pan on some eyeshadow palettes this year. I don't know if that'll happen, but at least it's a journey that I have started. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button, share, subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!